Hello everyone, thanks for coming to watch. I'm going to show you how to upload your assignments to Google Classroom and also upload images to your devices, or you can say to your slides and documents. Alright, so this is after you click on, well, we can start from scratch for you all. So we're going to go to the classroom and we're going to go to our classwork. So then we see the family album. That's the assignment I'm going to show you. And we're going to view this assignment. And then we're going to add or create. So I'm going to show you how to do it strictly from here. So we go to the slides. And it's going to load this up for you and take you over to the Google Slides app. And you're going to put, I understand my family album. And I can put my name. Oh, my name is ER. So I'm going to add another slide onto this to show you how to upload images. So you can insert, and you got to go to insert, then you can go to image. So with my computer, I have images already on my computer. So I can easily go to images, go to my camera roll, and upload a picture. Just like that. Or you can go to insert and you can go to image, and you can either upload it from your Google Drive or you can upload it from taking a picture on your camera that you have on your laptop, or you can I'm gonna email myself a picture, and then I just insert an image, and then let's see, go to pictures, and we can upload a picture, and then I'm sending it to myself, so it's alright. So then we see that you'll download it to your computer. Then you go back to your Google Slides, and then you can insert, and you go to your downloads. This is also for like the Windows type computers. So anything that uses the Windows desktop, and there's a picture you can add as well. So when it comes to uploading it, all right, so we're going to share it. Oh, we're not going to share it. So we got it saved like that in Mrs. Johnson's Tigers. You go to there, and then you go back to the assignment, and you will also see it in there as well. So another way you can do it is if you go back to the Google Slides, and you can put share. So you go to share, and it'll pop up get link. You can change it to, if you want it only with people with these type of addresses to see, to anyone with the link. That's what I usually do. So anybody with this link can see it. You want to copy the link right here, and you push done. Then you go back to your assignments, you push add and create, and you can push the link, and you'll just paste the link right there. Um, why is it messing up on me? Dismiss. Let's try it again. Usually this doesn't happen. Copy link. Just gonna make sure it's copied. Gonna paste it. Let's see if we have to take this out. Oh, that's what we had to do. We had to take it out because it's the same exact thing. So that is how you upload it through the Link-Wise and also through using the Add and Create-Wise. So, and that is also how you do the images as well as you insert them. So, if you have any more questions, just shoot me a comment on this video. And thank you so much for watching.